nakalagpas ako ng immigration, guys. I'm going to Bali. Nauna na ako sa mga kasama ko kasi doon sila sa mahaba yung pila na counter. Pumila. So, ayun. Nauna na ako. Sabi ko, pasok na ako sa immigration para pagkalagpas ko, kakain na ako. Then, namimili na ako kung saan ako kakain. Kasi gutom na ako. Hindi ako nag-dinner. Kaya, eto, maghahanap ako ng kakainan. Bale, pagkapunta ko ng immigration, ang tinanong lang sa akin, saan ako nagwo-work, kung may COE ako, kung matagal na ba ako sa work ko, pinakita ko naman yung COE ko. Then, kung sino yung kasama ko, sabi ko, kasama ko yung ka-work ko, and then yung boyfriend niya. Sabi ko, third wheel ako. Tapos tinanong niya ako, ba't wala akong, dapat nagsama ka. Eh, wala po akong isasama. Yun na yun.
A few moments later.
Ayan, ang mga walang access sa lounge. Kaya, yung boyfriend niya meron access sa lounge. Ang ending, yun yung kumain lang doon, kami iwan dito. Ngayon maghahanap na kami kung saan kami kakain. Hi guys, okay na kayo?
2,000 years later.
Touchdown Bali. Pag magmamanifest ka daw, kailangan may currency. Kasi dito pa lang sa yung milyonaryo ka. Julian and friends. After our flight, kahit wala pang tulog, we decided to do a quick tour and food trip na din dahil gutom na kami.
Yeah, now you can start from here. Very beautiful place here.
Pantay pa nila.
Yeah, we can stop few minutes here before we going downstairs. We can upload from here.
How to
Soy
eat
sauce?
this? We use soy sauce? How to eat?
Ketchup. Cheers.
Tikman mo. Pwede
Oyster
ito.
sauce. Ito. Matamis-tamis. Tofu lang. Ano yung siya? Tofu.
Manati.
Ito parang gusto ko to. Try.
Teka, ayoko nga muna ng yan.
Ketchup.
Ang harap ka, walang ano.
Gusto mo nga tuwal.
Laksong trip eh. Ay, food trip.
Hot yan. Spicy to. Tama.
Dami.
Nakabusog eh.
Ano siya? May laman siya sa
Oh my God. Tatang dirty ko. Tatang dirty ko.
Ano? Diba?
May coca-peanut.
Yung bilog?
Karyoka.
Ayun. Dahil
Ayaw
karyo
ka.
ka na kulang sa tamis. Tapos maangin.
So you can stop here. You just pay only the shuttle when you going there later. We are not allowed to wait you here. Okay.
You stay here for 2 nights.
Tonight.
Studio apartment room only, yeah? This is first time you in Bali?
Yes, it's fine.
You just stay yourself, yeah? Just
Yeah.
yourself.
Only me.
Only you. From Philippines?
Yes. floor. This is me checking in at my hotel here at Legion Sunset Residence. Finally, makakahiga na, guys. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Very nice. Hala, ano pa pala na ito? Akala ko. Here's the kitchen. They have a ref, microwave, and what's in here? Oh, this one's a smoking area, I think. And again, meron siya hagdan tataas, guys. Grabe, ang galing, ganda. Here. Look at my bed. It's so big. Wow. I love it. And the CR. Oh, nice. Laki ng CR. Oh my God. Ang laki. What? What? Oo, andito na ako sa mall. Ano pumasok? Nandito ako ngayon sa mall. Maghahanap ako ng Watson kasi may kailangan akong bilhin. Ayan, nakahanap na ako ng Watson. Let me check here. After my power nap, I decided to go out for a stroll and drop by at Watson's to buy a sunscreen dahil yun pala yung nakalimutan kong ilagay sa luggage ko. After that, I headed straight to Legion Beach since it's the nearest one from my hotel. Nakapag-order na ako ng food and then ngayon naghanap ako sa pwesto by the beach. Oh, this is good here.
Okay, later I come back.
Okay, thank you. Dito na ako sa first, I like sa view. Ay, sa first? Ano sa view? Yung may view. Kasi kanina merong ito yung pinaka-front. Diba? Solo. Wow, thank you. Thank you. Wow, strawberry dye. I don't know. Kulimutan ko na. Hi guys, I'm currently here at Legion Beach. So ayun na nga. Nag-stroll around lang ako dito sa Legion Beach and una talaga ang binili ko sunscreen kasi naiwan ko yung sunscreen ko. This one. So bumili ako. Then sabi ko mag-stroll around ako Legion Beach. Andito ako ngayon and I'm having my dinner here right now. I ordered the carbonara kasi ito lang yung medyo familiar. And this one, I don't know, basta strawberry dakay kinember, hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko yung name. So, ayan, kakain na ako, guys. Carbonara by the way. Ang fairness, ang sarap. Yan, chill lang ako dito. Like, you know. Ang sarap mag-relax dito, guys. The best. Mag-isa lang ako ngayon. Kasi yun, medyo malayo yung pinag-check-ingan nila Lovely and yung boyfriend niya. Ako kasi, malapit ako sa Legion Beach. So, nag-grab ako. papunta dito. Mura lang siya. So, yun. Oh my God! Natutunaw na siya agad. By the way, this one, cocktail siya. Pampaano lang, pampaantok lang naman. I feel good here. Na-enjoy ko mag-isa. Sanay naman talaga ako mag-isa. Look, may pa-fireworks pa. Tara! Wow! Parang gusto ko na matulog dito. Pwede ba dito na lang ako?
12 seconds later.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Where's your camera?
Welcome to my vlog.
Do you content creator?
Yeah. Just a little bit.
What's
Bigger.
your vlogger?
Julia Morena.
Julia Morena. Can I
Yeah.
see? In the YouTube or Instagram or?
I have YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Actually, paalis na ako and tapos na rin ako kumain. But itong si Kuya nag-aya bigla na maka-join ako dun sa mga OC na regular customer niya. So ayan, nag-isang battle pa ako at nagkapag-Englishan pa sa mga ante niyo.
It's a better one.
You just need to flow it like that.
So funny.
It's okay.
Is that your hair?
Yeah, it's my hair. It's like
You got
dry.
waves.
No,
Beautiful. You're still laughing. Stop.
So, yun, after ko makipag-Englishan at ma-nosebleed, I decided to go home na para makapagpahinga dahil maaga pa yung tour namin bukas. Back at the hotel. Nakauwi na ako. Time check, 10:30 p.m. I'm back. So that's it, guys. That's my first day here in Bali. Bukas, maaga yung tour namin. Bye. Hanggang take a shower para bukas dire-diretso na yung gising ko.
Tomorrow.
Hi, guys. Ito, nagmamadali ako ngayon kasi Ubud tour namin. Andiyan na sila sa baba. Sana wala ko lang kalimutan. Dito na naman tayo. Bakit nakadress yung mag-ATV? Hello po.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Ate Jul.
Really, right?
Yeah, I am Ate Jul. Wala pa ako makeup, nag-sunscreen lang.
Diretso mo na yung suot.
Hindi, may baon pa ako.
Wala nga akong damit. Remember, large.
Mag-rent ka na lang din doon.
Meron doon?
Yung sa swing. Oh, mag-rent na lang tayo sa swing para ano? Para sa akin nakalong.
Hindi mo ko dadamay ah.
Kulit nga, kahapon yung mga pinakita nila sa kanya, mga picture nila.
They're not really fun. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Silver making
and this
process.
One, yeah, making the silver. Where are you come from?
Philippines.
Philippines. In this one, the making silver material. And this one for making there is the ring. And this one the peridot stone. Yeah, this peridot. And the first in Bali we don't have silver material. We import another island from Borneo.
Oh.
Yeah, from Borneo. Yeah, come here please. Silver? Yeah, silver. Yeah. Silver. That is for making. There is the bracelet. And this one making the bracelet.
Nice.
The inside put in the stone. And the 100% silver. This one a little bit soft. Not making jewelry. And to make stronger, 7.5% copper. Yeah. So the good quality product, 92.5% silver.
That's the 95.
Yeah. So good quality. For making there is the ring, the example, yeah, and the simple design.
Gitu.
The ring, yeah. Making that with the pendant, this armadillo design.
Luwak Coffee. We are here at Luwak Coffee, like coffee plantation.
Yeah, this is we have coffee, tea, chocolate, and the activity swing. Yeah. This is the bean for the robusta coffee, and we have another one. This arabica coffee.
Magkaiba din.
Nah, and
This one
here,
is the
nah, this is the we call in Bali luwak.
luwak.
Yeah, this animal. Yeah, luwak. This animal they eat the coffee.
Oh, they eat
Yeah.
coffee
They
bean.
eat, yeah, coffee bean, robusta and arabica. Yeah, the bean that like that. The red skin.
Only coffee, they eat only
They,
the coffee bean or
they eat the fruit also. And after they finish eat the bean and they swallow in the stomach la fermentation and then in the morning they poop and we collect the poop to make coffee. And here this is the we have process the coffee. Before making the powder, we ground it to small powder. You can compare for the and this how you see now like this the poop from the animal they
That's the
their
food.
poop.
just come out like
No smell.
no smell.
No smell.
Because after they poop, we dry first in for the sun.
That's their poop.
After the sun, yeah, we collect again and we filter. We peel one by one.
Okay.
After we peel, we get the bean like that, and we peel again to get the inside the skin. After we dry and we peel like that, we get the bean inside like this. We wash for the hot water until 3 hours.
Okay.
After we wash, we dry in the sun again, 2 until 3 days. And this is the color for coffee. And need the black color we put here. We roasted, 45 minutes. This is the finally for the bean. Need the powder we put here. We grind it like that.
This one.
Yeah, we put here.
Okay.
Ang galing.
After we filter the coffee here. And we get the powder. Yes, and this is the finally product. You can smell for the Bali. You can compare, yeah.
Ay,
Right.
ang bango niya.
This one's the Bali. Yeah, the Bali coffee.
This
is
one's
the luwak. Yeah, this one the luwak. This is
Ito
the
Bali.
Bali. You see,
No need to filter.
you up to you. Optional, yeah. You can filter if you need the powder inside. Yeah.
Oh.
Ikaw ba? First thing?
Gusto mo maghalo daw.
Thank you.
Lokal na siya dito, lokal na.
Ayun pala yung part-time job mo eh.
For 4 to 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
Go back to me later.
We'll go back later. We'll drink coffee first. Bye.
At ito pala yung araw na ikakatroma ko. I decided to try their Bali Swing pero low budget version to. Yung sikat na Bali Swing, yun yung mas mahal and malayo din. Kaya dito na lang yung tinry ko. Mas mura and included na yung gown at hindi din crowded.
White or red? Excuse me.
White.
White, okay.
Naging white lady.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Welcome to my...
Welcome to Mobile Legend.
Okay pa yun ah.
Hey, focus camera, eh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
For the swing.
Sing pa more.
You're gonna pay for get easy.
Grabe, nakakaano siya. Lalo na pag gano'n nakaganon ka na.
Ganun. Man, buti hindi.
Talaga.
Hindi mo ano.
Iyo.
Yun na, tapos nakano na ilang minutes yun? 3 minutes.
No, stop? No? No, 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 stop. Okay. Stop. No, stop. No, stop.
Hindi, kaya today. Traumatize na.
Ulit ka pa po ba?
Grabe.
A few inches later.
After ko matrauma, the tour must go on. Kaya dito naman tayo sa next activity, which is river rafting.
Guys, sa pag-utusan lang po ako.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, may tao dun sa likod.
May nakikita niyo ba?
Para humarap ka, kuya. Lapot ka pa ba? Fresh ka pa ba?
Parang lapot na ako. Nocturnal sila.
His name is Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
So he's very lazy. Sleep every day.
Yeah.
So they eat coffee bean at night. So they comes out in the morning. So we call it the food, and we process become coffee. So become cat cappuccino.
Cat
Cappuccino.
Cat cappuccino.
You just drink the coffee, so not drink the poop.
Cute! Nasa taas pala siya. Si Cheeky. Sabi ko, asan na?
I will give you all of them is free. You don't need to choose. So I will give you the small glass and one set. I mean like welcome drink for you. Free tasting, okay? Except the special coffee from this animal. So this is the luwak coffee. If you want to try, you have to pay 55,000 rupiah for one cup. 55,000. Except for this one. Okay?
Na 250.
Kasi yung nagawak yung
55,000 rupiah.
na nga.
Parang ginawa niya pa kayo ng video. Sige, video namin lang. Nakakainis yung itsura mo. Nakakalimot.
Okay na yan.
We are here now at the coffee plantation para matry yung mga different kinds of coffee. I guess. Free taste yun. And then ang
Tag-iisa kaya tayo o lahat na yan?
isang may bayad is yung luwak coffee.
Isang set.
This is banana chip. So I put in the middle.
Yeah.
Sige.
Parang ano.
That's the Arabica?
Arabica coffee.
Arabica is free also, no?
Arabica, this one. This Bali coffee.
Oh.
So I put this one. You can take picture. Everything is in order. Bali coffee, coconut coffee, vanilla, ginger, last one ginseng,
And then,
and then avocado coffee,
Okay.
hot chocolate. We have Bali mochaccino and Bali cocoa.
okay.
Get me a lot of this ginseng.
Exactly.
Just
Drink
kidding.
1 cup a day so you can strong at night.
Ah, really?
Papa drink
Ginseng?
mama help you. Durian coffee we don't have. If you want, that's alright. Stinky fruit. You like durian?
Yeah, we have that in the Philippines. Very nice.
So you want try? I will prepare.
Gusto mo pa daw itry?
We have, but I'm not prepared because we don't know. I will prepare. Okay.
Smells bad.
Exactly.
I love it.
Mangosteen,
This one's the mangosteen.
the red one.
This one?
Okay. And next ginger.
Ginger.
We go to lemon tea, lemongrass, herbal, rosella, good for losing weight, butterfly pea tea.
Rosella is good for losing weight. I think I need this one.
If you need sugar, you put the luwak coffee. You can put the sugar,
This one sugar.
brown sugar.
Ang signal mo?
Sarap naman.
Cream.
So I will prepare durian coffee. Okay.
Thank you. Hindi nga mahina nga daw sa cafe yun.
Malakas.
Mahina.
Malakas, may na-acid.
Acid ang ano.
Sa caffeine din, mahina siya. Ang malakas sa caffeine is yung Bali coffee. Nilinaw ko nga eh.
Parang yung butterfly bilang gusto ko. 1, 2, 3. Ito yung avocado.
Ang bango.
Sobrang
Ang bango.
ito sobrang bango.
Ay, yung try na siya.
Diba? Bali mochaccino.
Ang sarap.
Diba? Bali.
Ang sarap. Sa coffee mo na tayo.
Lemon.
Tea lang yan eh, o coffee.
Ay, ang sarap.
Diba?
Alam mo kung mapapabili rin ako.
Laksan.
Gusto ko na yan. Alam, ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ano to?
Tea. Mangosteen.
Ang sarap.
Tea.
Tea. Ang sarap, parang gusto ko na lagay.
Parang gusto mo ng ano yun?
Ano to?
Rosella. Pampapayat daw.
Yung sa bahay. Yung turmeric.
Parang ang sarap nito yung
Yung
ice din
avocado,
na.
bango no?
Ang sarap.
Ang bango nga.
Ano to? Ano to?
Ito ang
Oo.
avocado.
Bali?
Ano kaya
Bali
kapain yung
coffee.
ano na?
Kayo yan, saka ng avocado at saka ng mangosteen. Did you put anything here?
All the
To make it
coffee,
sweet?
all the coffee we put brown sugar, and for all the tea we put honey.
Sabi nga.
Ano nga, kaya na-emphasize yung lasa.
Except the Bali coffee and luwak coffee, no sugar.
Ginger coffee. Lasang luya.
Ito kasi butterfly. Rosella.
Rosella.
Herbal. Lemongrass.
Herbal. Kamit siya.
Ano ito mga? Mangosteen, ginger.
Hindi ko na ma-explain yung lasa niya. Durian! Oo nga, hindi pa natitigman ng durian. Inamoy lang. Bali. Ano yun? Ano expression yun? Isa pa nga.
Parang may ibang ano. Kasi masarap iba tapos yung dalawa. Kaiba. Mangosteen. Hindi, yung amoy ng durian, yung ano niya. Amoy niya. Pero itong coconut, ang sarap ang bang.
Ito pa. Magod.
Ano yun?
Ginger.
Ginger. All the coffee, it has caffeine. Oh? No caffeine?
Luwak and Bali coffee.
Mm-hmm.
So the Bali coffee is more coffee.
Mm-hmm.
So, but the luwak coffee less.
Sabi sa'yo. Okay. So,
Hindi ka magpapalpitate.
mm-hmm.
Pero siguro, if healthy coffee nga yung ano.
Mm. This is the one for me. Bali coffee. Because I need
Drink
caffeine.
sa McDo.
Tama-tama yun sa'yo, nagsisigaw kayo kanina. Vanilla.
Sige, shot mo lahat yan. Unti na lang. Bili, shot mo na. Unti na lang. Ilas mo yung ano, yung mahagod.
Order pa.
Yung durian. Durian. Ininom yan na.
So, ginger.
Uy! Walang iya. Uy, hagod. Hanggang ano yan. Oo. Hala, grabe yung ano nga niya. Si remote. Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Sound like me as well. Me first time in Bali.
Guys, this is the reality. Grabe pagod. Para lang sa video.